Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel sum series that is running into my channel. So friends, in one of my previous video I have showed you how to use the offset function and two other functions to calculate and sum the every nth row into a worksheet, and today in this video we are going to learn a function based on SUMPRODUCT MOD and column function that will calculate every nth column into your database. So to learn more and briefly, please watch this video till the end because I will describe every single formula into this video. So here you can see that in sheet 1 I have one simple database where I have some numbers and 9 rows, and I have declared which column numbers should it be calculated. So here in the L5 cell I will show you the formulas, right? Check it carefully. At first I'm going to use the SUMPRODUCT function equals to SUMPRODUCT. Then it is asking for array 1. So listen carefully here. To sum every nth column we can use the SUMPRODUCT MOD and column function. So here I am going to use double hyphen, then open the parentheses. Here I need to use the mod function. Then into the mod function I need to nest the column function. So here in the column function it is asking for reference, and in my case the reference will be from B5 to J5, right? Close the parentheses. So here I need to insert minus, then again column function, then again it is asking for reference. In this case the reference will be the first row of the first column of your database. Close the parentheses plus 1 comma. Now here at the divisor where it is asking for, here select the column number declared cell reference number. So in this case my column number I have declared into K5 cell, so I have selected that. Close the parentheses, equals to 0, again close the parentheses, insert a comma. Now it's time to again select our cell reference, that is from B5 to J5, right? So now close the bracket. So this snippet of this formula uses the column function to get the set of relative column numbers for the range explained or referenced into this formula, that is from B5 to J5. So this snippet then goes to mod function where K5 is the value for n in each row. The mod function returns the remainder for each column number divided by n. So as we have written number 3 here, the mod will return something like this. You can see on your screen. Note that carefully the zeros appear for column 3, 6, 9, etc. The formula uses 0 to force a true when the remainder is 0 and a false when not. Then we use a double negative to coerce the true and false to ones and zeros. Here is now indicated nth values. This going to SUMPRODUCT as an array 1 along with B5 colon J5 as the array 2. SUMPRODUCT then does its thing, first multiplying then summing products of the arrays. The only values that survived into multiplications are those where array 1 contains 1. In this way you can actually think of the logic of array filtering the values in array 2. So let us check how it actually shows us the result when I actually hit the enter button. Look at here, it is showing 180, that means every third column has been calculated. So let me show you if this answer is actually correct. I'm going to use the calculator. So here in the calculator every third column contains value I will add. So in the third column firstly that contain 30 plus, next third column is this one, so it contains 60, then plus, and the next third column contains 90, and the total sum value is actually 180. That means this formula actually gives us the correct result, and if we copy the formula from upside down, it will show us the result accurately. And look at here carefully, as we have only 9 column into this database, when we input greater than value from 9, the result will simply show you 0. So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you like this video. I will come back soon with another interesting video. I will give you the link of downloading this Excel workbook into my description box. Please check that. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel, and keep practicing.